Welcome to the factory where delicious biscuit chocolate dips are made. Everything starts with high-quality wheat flour for the biscuit dough.
Ingredients are mixed in giant automatic mixers to form a consistent dough.
The dough is rolled into a thin sheet using heavy rollers. A cutting machine shapes thousands of biscuits every minute. The biscuits then travel through a hot oven for perfect baking. Golden, crispy biscuits come out ready for cooling. Cooling tunnels bring the biscuits to room temperature before dipping. Meanwhile, pure chocolate is melted into a smooth liquid. Now the biscuits move into the dipping machine. A chocolate waterfall coats each biscuit evenly. Extra chocolate drips off to ensure a clean finish. The coated biscuits enter a cooling tunnel to harden the chocolate.
Quality inspectors check every batch for shape and coating.
Next, small cups are formed for the chocolate dip portion. A filling machine pours measured amounts of chocolate into each cup. The cups are sealed airtight to keep the dip fresh.
Biscuits and chocolate cups come together and are placed in one tray.
Shrink wrap machines tightly pack each set for transport. Printed labels with nutritional details are applied. Workers load the finished packs into boxes.
The boxes are sealed and stacked for shipping.
And finally, the biscuit chocolate dip snacks are ready for delivery worldwide.